Hey, what's going on everybody? Zachary Bach here. A couple days ago I filmed a video of me showing is it worth it to clean your solar panels. Got a set of panels up there on my roof, I got a set on the back. I realized though that I actually forgot to film an intro to that video. I've shaved since then, I'm wearing a different hat, a different shirt, but I wanted to just film an intro to see, is it worth it to clean your solar panels? Is it worth it to pay somebody a few $100, $5, $6, $10 a panel to clean them? This video, we're gonna look at my before and after production, after me just going up on my roof and spraying them off with the hose. Let's see what the video shows. Let's dive into it. So here is the current output on my older system in the back. It is climbing right now because the sun is coming up. It's getting a little warmer outside, but we'll see if there is a drastic jump in that production after the panels are cleaned. Current production on my in-phase system, we're gonna see if this jumps significantly. My panels are pretty dirty right now, so we'll see if this goes up once I clean the panels. All right, so up here on my roof now, you can see my panels are definitely pretty dirty. Had some rain, lots of dirt in the air. My back panels back here, also just as dirty. So I'm gonna grab the hose, we're gonna spray these things off, and we're gonna see just what kind of production we get, if any, what kind of an increase we see. Now you'll notice I'm not using a brush or solvent or anything like that on the panels. I'm literally just spraying them off with a hose. I know some companies who do panel cleaning are gonna say, oh, you're gonna get hard water spots. At the end of the day, what I wanna test today is it worth it to clean panels off? Is it worth it to pay these companies to come out and scrub your panels? Because they'll charge sometimes $8, $10 per panel. You can see big difference in how these panels look now versus how they did look. Of course, my older panels here on the back, these ones are the kind of old school looking blue ones, super dirty. You can see the difference as I'm washing these. I personally think there will be an increase in my production. I think that we're gonna see because obviously this dirt is gonna stop some sun rays from hitting the panels. Do I know how big of a production we're gonna see? No. But I think that it will be a decent production here. Both the panels on my roof are Hanwha Qcells. These ones are a little bit older on the back. These are, I think, 295s, if I remember correctly. And then my front ones are Qcell 400s. You can see the difference in how these panels look. I missed a little bit of dirt right there. And I'm gonna go back through and spray them off, make sure I get all the grime off. We just had some rain in Southern California, which of course is a little unseasonal for this time of the year for us, or I guess really all the time for us, because it doesn't rain much here. My hose is getting stuck on my roof here. All right, gonna go get those last panels on that side. One of the biggest things is if you're gonna clean your panels, be careful. They are glass, Panels are designed to withstand stuff, they're designed to withstand weather and stuff like that. They're not designed to withstand you smacking them and stuff like that. So if you are gonna clean your panels, be careful, and also be careful on your freaking roof. Obviously nobody wants to fall off the roof. If you don't feel comfortable getting on your roof, don't get up there and clean your panels off, right? Be smart in your decisions. And if you need to hire somebody and you got to spend a little bit of money, hire somebody. Just make sure that if you do hire someone, that they are licensed, right? That they're insured themselves. Discount companies are a discount company for a reason. Make sure that the person that you're hiring to get on your roof is not going to try to sue you because they fell off of your roof. All right, so let's check it out now. We're going to see if we have any kind of an increase in production in these panels after I hose off my chimney here. Lots of bird poop up there. All right, let's check it out. Just came off my roof, and of course, what do we have in the sky now? Clouds covering the sun. So I'm probably gonna have to wait a little while so I can compare apples to apples on this one, and we'll see if this cloud cover frees up the sun, because my output definitely dropped with cloud cover, so at least I can show you all that. So you can see the cloud cover drastically dropped my production here. we're down to 15, almost 1600 watts output right now. So let's take a look here at the status, the live status on my, so yeah, production is down on this one as well. So cloud cover does make a difference on your solar production. As you can see, this is a live status of what my system is currently producing, and a Snapchat update, and an update from my kid. So it does affect production. We'll see once the cloud cover clears, and we'll compare against what we had when it was sunny out. All right, so this is our production now that the sun is actually out. It is at a 3.8. Now here's the thing, the sun is still a little bit behind the clouds right now. So I'm gonna say that we saw a pretty big jump in production simply by cleaning the dirt off those panels. I would love to wait till the sun is fully out, but there's a lot of clouds heading that way, so I don't think we're gonna get that anytime soon. So I would say that this is proven. It does absolutely help with production. And here's the production of my older system. As you can see, pretty significant jump here, about 400 watts. So I think that what we've discussed is cleaning your panels makes a difference. Now, do I think you need to have them professionally cleaned? Do I think you need to spend $200, $300 a couple times a year? That I don't know. I think you can probably just spray them off with a hose if you're comfortable getting on your roof. So my name's Zachary Bach, real estate solar professional here in Southern California. I do service most of the US when it comes to solar. I service Southern California with real estate. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. My phone number is 951-401-5025. Look forward to seeing you on the next video. Thank you so much.